Thanks so much for coming in on a midweek on a Tuesday evening. So, welcome to the ninth Tata Annual Biostatistics and Research Methodology course. And the way to learn research is actually do it. And the way we had always started it, Dr. Sanjit and myself, many years ago, 9 years ago, was that we would do an active workshop of Zotero, PubMed, and SPSS. And you need to be able to download the software and be ready with it with a fully charged laptop around the time, in the morning when you come. If you try to actually download the software while you are here, you might not be able to use it on time. So I will hand over to Dr. Sanjit, who will share the screen and start telling you. It's only 15 minutes and we are recording this. For those of you who are not present, we will upload this presentation on YouTube channel and email it to all of you. Okay, over to you, Sanjit.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Datta, for giving me the opportunity to present this. So, what we are doing today, I am Dr. Sanjit Agarwal. So, we are showing you how to download this software, which will be useful during the workshop. So, there are multiple software need to be downloaded, and the first you need to download means you need to register your login, the Gmail, or create your login ID and password in the PubMed website. So PubMed is the indexing where all the journals are indexed, mainly all the journals are indexed, and that will be used for the literature search workshop. So you can use this link. This link Dr. Datta can paste in the chat box also. And if you will click that link, it will take you to the PubMed. Probably all of you have already registered to this website, PubMed website. But if you have not done it, please do it. And that will be used in giving you the idea of how to index the citation from the PubMed to the Jotero, and also how to do the literature search using PubMed in the literature search workshop. So how it will look like once you will register, it will look like this, and it will be written here, sign into NCBI. So you will go here now. Initially, we need to create a separate ID and password, but now you can use your Gmail or Google ID also to sign in. So if you have not done it till now, do it and register it your Gmail, or the create a separate password, whatever you like. So this is about PubMed.
Thank you, Dr. Sanjit.
So now we'll move to the Jetero. It's also a software which will help you in managing references. How to use this software will be taught during the workshop. Don't try to use it now. Only you need to download two software. So once you will click jotero.org and use Google Chrome here. Even if you are using Mac, and if you are using Safari is not very linked with the Jotero, so use Google Chrome. So if you don't have Google Chrome, first download the Google Chrome, install the software, and then try to download two software within jotero.org. One is Jotero and one is Jotero Connect. So Jotero is the software, and Jotero Connect is the software which will connect your Google Chrome, the website, to the Jotero. And once you will do, a Z sign will appear in your software box. So this is about how to download Jotero. So remember three things. One is you should use Google Chrome for this. Second is download Jotero and download Jotero Connect. So these three things you need to do to use Jotero, and be like it will be like, if you can see my, so you will see this Z sign, Jotero or Jotero 2. So I have two versions of Jotero, and once you will click this, this type of the box will open for the Jotero. So again repeating, you need to do download Chrome, then you need to download Jotero and you need to download Jotero Connect. So try to download it. It will take time and you try to download it before the course. Three things: Google Chrome if you don't have, second is the Jotero, and third is Jotero Connect. So next is the SPSS workshop. So if you have already a software, don't no worry. But if you don't have SPSS software, you can download the trial version using this link. If Dr. Datta can paste that link in the
Yeah.
chat box also, and this will be valid for 2 weeks. So our course is in this week only, and you can use it during the course to use the SPSS for the data analysis. We will send you the data format, data Excel sheet where which data we are using, a hypothetical data sheet to show you all the test what you can use, what you will learn in the first day, and the second day we will use the data set to do the analysis and come to a conclusion of any of our hypothesis question by using a statistical analysis tool. So, and after you download this will open like this. So you need to register your whole thing and you will get two 2 week free trial version of the SPSS. If you have already, that's good.
Yeah, I think that's um,
And the last stage, I think all of you have Excel in the Word. So if you don't have Excel and Word, download Excel and download Word format also, because Excel, we will tell you how to copy the Excel data to the SPSS. And second, in the Word, we will show you how to connect, how to put reference in your manuscript from the Jotero. So download Excel and Word
भाई एक
software.
बार है ना.
So download Excel and Word software also in your laptop. So come with your laptop in the workshop, because without your laptop you can't do whole thing by your own during the workshop, because you will do everything shown by us and you will try to do the whole thing in your laptop to do the data analysis and learn how to do it. So summarizing what we have discussed, you will register your email ID in the PubMed. If you don't have Google Chrome, download the Chrome, download Jotero, and download Jotero Connect and install all the three software. Third is the SPSS trial version. If you don't have SPSS, then use SPSS trial version for this workshop. And fourth is the Microsoft Excel and Word you need to install in your laptop. And these are the software which will be there in the workshop to be used. I think that's from my side.
anybody has any questions? Sonal. Okay, Ashmita is saying that can anyone show the slide that presents the logged in account on PubMed? Okay. How the face of it? Okay. So can you see my screen with PubMed?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you go, welcome back, go to Google, log in. So if you click on the dashboard here, you will see these are the, I can save lists of references. So these are all papers which we had been working over the past few years. So you can even save your own publications. So
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
thank you. So you can just, click here and then send to like this and send to file or a collection. So you can start new connections. Oh, Sanjit logged out and then logged in. I think his MacBook was at almost zero battery, but uh, welcome back, Sanjit. Any other questions? Anyone has any more questions? Okay, Shubhamita has signed up. Very good. Good. Okay then. So thank you from behalf of the organizing committee of ninth Tata Annual Biostatistics and Research Methodology course. Thank you, Sanjit, so much for taking our audience through this. You have always done that for the last 9 years. And wish you a very good evening and good night.